Meaning of hyrax.
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 Hyrax. Hyrax is a small, herbivorous mammal native to Africa and the Middle East. They are closely related to elephants and manatees. Hyraxes are known for their unique dental morphology, which include continuously growing incisors and molars that form continuously throughout their lives. Their name is derived from the Greek word meaning shrewmouse. Hyraxes live in rocky terrain and feed on a variety of vegetation. They are social animals, and live in groups ranging from 10 to 80 individuals. These interesting mammals also play an important role in the ecosystems they inhabit as prey for larger predators.